Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be my monthly update for the Friends Project Pan. This is the final update before the finale next month. This project was created by Amy, who is Curly Loves Beauty and Books here on YouTube as well as over on Instagram. I hope you check her out along with the other ladies that are doing this project. I will have them linked down below. This has been a super fun group collab and it's based on the characters of the TV show Friends, which is a concept that has been used in different project pans over the years, but this twist with the products specifically linking to the characters of the show is kind of new and creative. And Amy, the last I talked to Amy, which was several months ago, she was talking about bringing this back for another round down the road. I'm not sure at this point in time what her plans are, but if she does, I will certainly be going ahead and joining her for another round. Before I get into the update, I am wearing my Hazel Hearts merch. You can see everything underneath this video if you're interested in it. This is a heart that Hazel drew on our sidewalk a couple years ago, and my brother and I thought it was just the cutest thing. We both took pictures of it. It was my Facebook profile picture for the longest time, and my brother liked it so much that he used his graphic design skills to make it into merch. And if you like Hazel's Heart, you know, you can get one of your own Hazel Heart merch items by clicking the link down below. I will get a small commission from every purchase that will help support me, my family, my channel, all those good things. So if you're interested in this merch, I just want to show you guys what it looks like on me. This is a size 2X. I'm typically not a 2X. I'm more of a like extra large 1X. So I did size up for this shirt and I'm glad I did. So if you're debating on what size to get, I would say go ahead and size up just to be on the safe side. All right, let's get into this update. This project is rolling, so in theory, I should have been able to get through a ton of characters throughout the 6-month-long project, but progress has been slow. I've only finished one item throughout this entire project so far, and honestly, I'm hoping to have one more finished by the finale next month, but it's just been a slow-moving project. But the first product I want to talk about is for Monica. And the prompt for that was your cleanest product. I took that quite literally and grabbed a face wash. This is the Soap & Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash. And I've just been marking my progress since putting it in this project. And this is where I'm at. Progress is slow but steady. This latest line was a bit of a fatty, but yeah, that's where I'm currently at. This is going to be lasting for a long time, which is fine. It's a good face wash. I like it. I keep it in the shower, which means I tend to use it in the mornings, and it works great. No complaints. For Ross, I've mentioned this before, but I used the wrong prompt for Ross. I was part of an initial group conversation with Amy where she was kind of running the different prompts past us, and I used an initial prompt for Ross that ended up not making the final cut. Regardless, all the correct prompts are linked down below, but the prompt I went with was a product that you're anxious to finish. And for that, I went with this MAC lipstick in the shade Gotta Dash. I love this lipstick so much, especially in the summertime. I am wearing it today in combination with another lipstick. Am I really faded out today, guys? If I am, I'm sorry. Somebody suggested that it might be my white decor that's causing it. Is it my white decor? Or am I still faded out? I don't know. I haven't used this a ton over the past month. I haven't used this a ton throughout this entire project. I seriously doubt I could finish this by next month's finale, but I'm really glad to have put it in this project and given myself an excuse to use this and enjoy it. I was initially trying to get this done before the Back to Mac program ended, but obviously that didn't happen. Back to Mac ended a long time ago, and I've just been using this to enjoy it and trying to get the most out of it that I can. The next product is for Mr. Traeger, and the prompt was a product that fixes you. I went with an under eye corrector from Trish McAvoy. This is one of those brush tip pens where the product kind of comes up through the center of it. And I have loved this. This has been a great product. I'm assuming Trish McAvoy is one of those products that's either available at like Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom's, or maybe QVC. I don't even know where you can get Trish McAvoy at. I'm pretty sure it's not at Ulta or Sephora, but I have seriously enjoyed this product very much. I keep thinking it's almost gone, and it might be. I have no way of knowing, but I was able to squeeze up product for today, and it looks like there's more product coming up for tomorrow. So this is the one product that I think I could finish by next month, but I have no idea if I'm even close or not. It just seems like a wand like this probably shouldn't last more than 6 months, but I've been using it pretty much every day for the past 5, so still going strong. The next character this product is for is Marcel, and the prompt was a product with an animal pattern, packaging, or name. And I went, of course, with my Too Faced little black book of bronzers, and the shade I'm working on is called Pink Leopard. You guys have heard me gripe about this product every update, but there's still no pan. My goal is to hit pan, and I'm still not using this consistently. So we'll see what happens over the next month. It just hasn't really been working out for me, unfortunately. It's not like I'm gonna like scrape it out and toss it, but it's not something that's been a go-to for me either. And I definitely have learned that throughout this project. It's not something I'm reaching for, even when I put it in a project pan. So I was really hoping that once we got into summer and I got a little bit of a tan, I could start making it work, but I don't feel like I'm making it work. And the final product I want to talk about in this update is for Mr. Heckles, and that is a product with pan, like a product that already has pan. And I went with a blush that's inside of this Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. I've been wanting to get back to this blush for the longest time. I hit pan on it maybe 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. It feels like a long time ago. And so I was so happy to have a reason to bring it back into a project. Now I am trying to, I don't know, make as much progress as I can, finish it off, expand the pan, name whatever goal you want to name, but I was just trying to use and enjoy this as much as possible. I feel like it is going so slowly. I feel like I have barely expanded the pan at all on this. But that being said, every time I use it, I fall in love with this shade all over again. I am wearing it as my blush today. I just think it is so beautiful. I am working on a couple other blushes, so I'm always like splitting my time between them. I'm not using this one day in and day out, but I do try to reach for this a couple of times a week, and every time I do, I love it. So I'm really happy to have been able to enjoy this product again because of this project, but I seriously doubt I'm going to be able to finish it off by the finale next month, and that's okay. It'll find its way into all of these products. Will find their way into another project eventually. So that's just the way it goes. Everything eventually ends up in another project again. But that is it for this update, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.